Hello everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima. Welcome to livelaw. You all are acquainted with the Manipur violence issue. This conflict led to many unfortunate events, including the infamous viral video in which two women were shown being paraded naked in public. The events of violence intrigued the whole nation. The conflict between the tribal communities and the Meitei community and the lack of the action by the state administration in view of such violence was criticized by the Supreme Court, and as such it took deep interest in the case and took steps accordingly. The latest update in the Manipur violence case is that the Supreme Court has issued some directions after transferring the sexual violence cases to Assam, keeping the overall environment in Manipur in view and also keeping in view the need to ensure a fair process of criminal justice administration. These violence cases are presently being investigated by the Central Bureau of Investigation. These directives seek to streamline legal proceedings, provide access to justice, and facilitate the probe being conducted by an all-women committee comprising retired High Court judges that was created to look into the humanitarian aspects of relief, remedial and rehabilitation measures, and restoration of homes and places of worship in the violence-hit northeastern state. The court has not only directed the union government to bear the expenses associated with this committee's work, including administrative costs and accommodations, but has also asked the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to create an online platform where people can submit relevant material and information for the committee's consideration. In addition to this, the committee headed by former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Justice Geeta Mittal made a number of recommendations which were accepted by the Supreme Court. The committee had submitted its reports earlier this month. The Supreme Court, while considering these recommendations, issued some directions which we're going to discuss next. To begin with, the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Union Government shall designate a nodal officer not below the rank of Joint Secretary to coordinate the implementation of the directions of the Supreme Court and provide all logistical and other necessary support to the committee chaired by Justice Geeta Mittal for discharging its mandate. Secondly, the Chief Secretary of the Government of Manipur shall designate a nodal officer not below the rank of Commissioner or Secretary to coordinate the implementation of the directions of the court and provide all logistical and other necessary support to the committee for discharging its mandate. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India shall be responsible for bearing all the expenses of the committee, including administrative, transport, conveyance and accommodation. The committee shall communicate the expenses incurred by it to the nodal officer. The ministry shall ensure that the expenses are forthwith reimbursed to the committee. It shall be the responsibility of the Government of India and the Government of Manipur to ensure appropriate accommodation and facilities for the committee and staff during their visits to Manipur and ensure adequate and appropriate security for them. The Government of Manipur and the High Court of Manipur shall ensure the availability of adequate secretarial facilities to the committee while in Manipur as may be necessary to discharge its mandate. In addition to this, these directions to the Union of India and the State of Manipur shall also apply to the work entrusted to Dattatreya Padsargikar in terms of the previous order. All assistance required by him shall be extended. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology shall assist the committee and ensure the expeditious creation of a website or platform to enable the public to place relevant material and information for the consideration of the committee. The contact details of the nodal officers should be communicated to the committee within a week of the passing of this order. These were the directions issued by the Supreme Court, and if you want to read more about it, please visit our website, which is www.livelaw.in, and go to the top stories section. That's all about it for now. We hope you like our content. If you do, please like and share. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.